In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to install plugins on your Plex Media Server. It is super simple to do. So step 1 is download the linked file. If the leads goes to a GitHub page rather than a normal direct download page, simply select the download zip button on the page to download the zipped bundle. Step 2, the plugin bundle will usually be located within a zip archive. You simply need to unzip this file using WinRAR or any other program where you can unzip files. Step 3. If your zip file is from GitHub, then would usually have extra identifiers appended to the bundle's file name, like masters. Simply edit the bundle file name to remove any text after bundle. Step 4. Copy and move the plugins bundle into the plugins folder on the computer running the Plex Media Server. Step 5. Now restart your Plex Media Server to make sure that the new plugin will be loaded successfully. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!